everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all these gorgeous looking intense deep blue smoky eyes, and I hope you all will enjoy today's makeup. And if you people do, just don't forget to give this video massive thumbs up so as to make sure that I do come to know that you people are liking such intense sort of an eye makeup looks. Also, if you people haven't done so already, do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Very soon I'm about to reach 5,000 subscribers, so help me reach there. And with that being said, let's not just waste any time further and straight away jump into the tutorial and see how I got this intense sculpted sort of a makeup look. Starting off with my skincare, I've just sprayed some rose water and I'm just applying some aloe vera gel onto the face. It is way too summery, so I'm just trying to reduce the application of products onto this face of mine, because it just during summer times my face is like just however less is more in terms of my face. Now, because I was working with so many intense colors, I did wanted my under eye area to look a little bit, fresh and with no dark circles at all. So I went ahead with the Orange Edge lipstick by Lakme, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it underneath my eye and a little bit around my mouth to cancel out certain discoloration that is going on all over there. I'm just blending it all out with the help of my miracle sponge. Now I'm taking two favorite foundations of mine. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and NYX foundation, matte but not flat one. Both of them are my foundations, and I'm just going to go ahead, mix them all together, apply it all over my face, and they just give crazy amount of coverage. Like, it's just full coverage sort of a combination that turns out to be with the help of these two foundations. Now I'm taking concealer, for which I'm using the NYX full coverage concealer. I'm just going to apply it underneath my eye in a triangular, or more often in a circular shape, not a triangular one, as you guys can see me doing over here. Then going ahead and applying it onto the rest of the face where I love to conceal and highlight. That is my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and a little bit under where my contour lines would be. It would just help me give those crisp sort of contour lines. So here you can see me, I'm once again using my Real Techniques miracle sponge and blending it all out with the help of the same. Now taking LA Girl Pro HD setting powder, I'm using the darker shade. I'm using it as a bronzer to warm up my face. In today's video, you people would be watching that my contouring and bronzing game is gonna go up or step up to a distinct level. I'm coming a little bit closer to you all to first of all show you guys my eye makeup. Before applying my eye makeup, I have done my base makeup, so I'll go ahead and apply a very thick layer of loose powder. This is the Lakme Absolute loose powder underneath my eye to catch any fallout. Taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, I'm taking that yellowish orange shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the crease. Now taking the Lakme Absolutes palette, I'm just going to take this orange shade and I'm just going to apply it underneath that yellow shade to mix it up, blend it all out, smoke everything away, and make sure that everything is looking seamlessly and perfectly blended into each other. So next I'm taking the Freedom Pro Descendant palette, and I am taking this deep brown shade, and I'm just going to apply it underneath that orange shade or that gradient that I have already created to give my eyelids that perfect sort of intensity or depth that I did wanted for this makeup look. And then taking this black shade from the same palette on a very intense dense brush, I'm just going to apply it onto the crease. This is the exact crease of mine, I'm not faking it, and I'm just going to apply it and blend it all out with the help of another blending brush to give it more of like, crisp sort of a look, or more blown off sort of a look, as I am trying to achieve at the moment. And after this, I wasn't remotely even planning to go ahead and do a cut crease over here, guys. It's just I needed this black to go away from the lid area to make sure that I can go ahead and apply the rest of the shades, and removing this black from the lid area will help you to go ahead and get that exact intense shade that you are later on applying onto the area. That's why I'm just going ahead and removing that black shade from the lid area and then dusting off some loose powder over my lids to get it just in a form where I can blend it all out. Now I'm taking the NYX Dreamcatcher eyeshadow palette in this royal blue shade. I don't remember how long it has been since I have used this eyeshadow palette, and I am just going ahead with a halo smoky eye So I'm just going to apply that same shade on both the sides of my eyes and connect it onto the top. Now here, if you want, you can go ahead and use a black eyeshadow as well, but I wasn't feeling like doing so. I was like more into the bluer side or tone. Now taking the Ultimate Brights palette, once again I'm taking that lighter blue shade and bringing a little bit more blue into the limelight. So taking that shade, I'm just going to apply it all over the areas where I did apply that Dark Nights sort of an eyeshadow, the bluer one. And then I'm taking this teal green shade from the Ciate London eyeshadow palette, and I'm sorry, mine is a little bit broken at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it with the help of my finger, and I'm just going to apply it onto the center of my eyelid, the area which I left alone. And then just individually, it just made the entire eye makeup look pop to a distinct level. Now I'm just going to remove the under eye bake that is going on under my eye area, and it just helped me in two ways. Whatever the fallout was, it just went away, and as well as my under eye area is set it to a distinct level. Now for my lips, I'm just taking the Hollywood red shade, and please guys, before you start thinking that I have gone crazy and I am using such bold shades for my lips, you people have seen the introduction, it's not that bold. I'm just going to go ahead and do a combination over here. So I'm just contouring my lip with the help of the Hollywood red shade, and then I am taking the Coca Soft shade from the Weightless Mousse Consistency Finish from Lakme, and I'm just going to apply it onto my lips. I felt like this brown would go ahead really nice with the eyes, but it didn't. It was looking a little bit more than what I was expecting. So I used the Peach Path shade from the Lakme 9 to 5 range, and I did went ahead and toned the brown a little bit, and this is the perfect cocktail I did wanted. Now I'm taking the Freedom Pro Strobes palette, and I'm just gonna sculpt my face with the help of the contouring shade from the same palette. So I'm just going ahead and applying it onto the hollows of my cheeks, on my jawline, connecting both of the lines, applying it onto the forehead and connecting it in a 3 shape all over my face. And then I'm taking a very small brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose with the help of it. I did wanted my nose to look really very perfect, very crisp, very sharp. So I'm just going ahead and applying it and then blending it with the help of my finger itself, and with that my entire makeup is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply it onto the lower lip and upper lip area to give my contouring a little bit more sculpture, and then blending it all out with the help of my same brush, along with that bronzer that I did applied. For highlighter, I'm using my favorite highlighter at the moment, that is the Sun Kisses highlighter by Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to highlight my entire face with the help of it, my Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and my optical bones as well. Now my eyes were really like shabam, so I didn't wanted any other thing to be like way too much disco sort of a thing on my face, to make sure that nothing takes away from the attention of the eye. Now for the blush, I'm taking a combination of these two blushers from the Freedom Pro Blush palette, and I'm just going to apply it to make sure that the highlighter and the bronzer and contour are blended into each other. That's why I mentioned that I didn't wanted anything to grab away the attention from the eye, so that's why I did went ahead with the blusher on the later part. Then taking the eyeliner, I'm taking the gel eyeliner by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to line my eye with the help of the same. I'm just ever so slightly winging it out. It's already winged out because of the Dark Nights shade that is onto the outer V. So it's just really not that much of a work when it comes up to it. And with that, my eyeliner is set. Now I was really very confused whether I should go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line for this video or not. And finally I did decided that I did wanted to commit that mistake that I usually used to do in the beginning, but I personally was in love with that form of eye makeup where I used to leave my under eye area completely bare. So I have heavily applied mascara on my lower lash line, but rest I have left the under eye area completely bare, and I personally felt that it looked really very beautiful in the video. So here is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed, and if you people did, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. With that being said, I'll take your all sleeve, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, and just stay blessed. Bye bye.